Alright guys, and hi everyone, this is me, Racing Wolf, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, again, DriftLimits. It says no spectating up here. Well, we not yet started the practice, so one more supercar. Which one, I don't know. You know already from the video description, so just let's jump on board and let's have a fun. Let's test it. Right guys, so me and my instructor, by the way, you can repeat your name?
Mason.
Mason, my instructor Mason, DriftLimits, and today this is Audi R8. What engine is here?
So this one's V10, automatic gearbox as well. Yes, it's an amazing car.
Guys, don't think I'm gonna be quick at the beginning because this is V10. Come on, let me get used to it.
Warm up laps in and then
exactly.
towards the end you'll see them flying around.
Right, the key, the gearbox.
So it's pretty simple. All you got to do is just pop the key into the ignition and then keep your right foot on the brake.
You don't mind if I'll use the left leg? I mean, this is how I'm driving the automatic. But if you want me to use right,
if that's more comfortable for you,
it's more comfortable for me.
The brakes are super sensitive in this. So
my left leg is really worked for the.
Right, yeah, if you're comfortable.
Start it.
With that, then yeah, cool. There you go, and then pop the shifter over towards the A here, and that'll get it into drive. You should see A1 pop up in the middle. There you go, we're in gear. All you got to do now is handbrake, drop that down, and when you're ready, we are good to go.
Ooh, the steering wheel is stiff.
Yeah. Have you driven many Audis before?
None.
The thing with Audis, the thing that I like about them is the majority of them, all even the base models, apart from the brand new ones are all so electronically assisted. They're not brilliant drivers' cars anyways. But the with the older ones, yeah, we're good to go. With the older ones, the steering was a lot stiffer. Even with like, I don't know, like 2013, 2014, like A5s and A3s, you got that nice stiff steering. So when you needed to corner, it just sort of went wherever you wanted it to go. And that's what I like about these.
Wow.
There you go. Into the right, keep it tight to the right. Much as the speed of this is impressive, it's also the braking capabilities that it has is almost just as impressive as well. I mean, the brakes are enormous on this, but there you go, power on down the straight. There you go, onto the brakes. Nice one. Slowing it down a touch for this corner, into the right. Sit back through the middle. So round to the left, wait till you've straightened up. Power on down the straight. Onto the brakes. Lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right. Nice smooth power all the way around here, into the left, through the middle, lift off the power a touch. Into the right. Follow into the left, through the middle, into the left, onto the brakes here, lift off into the right, out to the left, wait to keep straightened up, power on down the straight, onto the brakes, nice one, slowing it down for this corner. So yeah, when you come out the corner, wait till you've straightened up, then put the power in, because the TC, the traction control kicks in quite a bit with this, so it doesn't like it too much.
Got it.
So come through here, wait till you've straightened up. There you go, power on down the straight. Onto the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right. So drift out to the left a bit. Through the left, cut your line across the middle, power and down the straight. There you go. Onto the brakes. There you go, then we'll hope they pull in for us. There you go, back through the middle, into the left, through the green flags, power and down the straight, onto the brakes now, lift off into the right, keep tight to the right, keep about this sort of distance. They're going to pull in, we'll wait for them to go in first. So there we go. Into the right, cut across into the left, through the middle, lift off into the next left, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, out wide to the left, wait till you've straightened up, cut your line across the apex, power run down the straight, onto the brakes, slowing it down for this corner, into the right, back through the middle, into the left, power run down the straight, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right, out to the left a bit, through the middle, into the right, follow into the left, through the middle, into the next left, onto the brakes now, lift off into the right, out wide to the left, wait till you're straightened up, power on down the straight, onto the brakes. That's it, slowing it down for this corner.
Someone chosen Tesla.
As they do.
Must be M25 driver.
Yeah, I'll probably say so as well.
No, to be honest with you, I think Tesla is cool,
They're fast.
but our rate is better.
Of course it is. Onto the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right. Drift out to the left, through the middle, into the right, follow into the left, through the middle, into the next left, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, out to the left, cut your line across, out and down the straight, onto the brakes, brake, there you go, slowing it down for this corner. Yeah, see, I can sort of see the practicality of people buying electric cars,
Yeah.
but at the same time, there's nothing better than a combustion engine, so I don't think I could ever swap myself, to be fair. I don't think I could ever swap to go into electric.
We're not yet ready for electric,
No.
but we're ready for Audi.
Onto the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight. Give them a touch of space. Into the left, through the middle, into the left, on the brakes. See, they're going to pull in, so give them a chance to pull in first. 1 sec, there we go. Yeah, we're good to go. Onto the brakes. That's it. Slowing it down for this corner. Into the right. So back through the middle.
Oh, the traction control is so sensitive.
Yeah. There you go. Power down the straight. Onto the brakes. Lift off into the right. Keep it tight to the right. Out to the left. Through the middle. So, into the right. Kicks in well, doesn't it?
The control is so amazing.
They're such easy cars to drive. People get scared of them, but realistically, they're amazing cars to drive. They handle so well. Onto the brakes. And we'll go around for one more lap of this. Slow it right down for this corner. Into the right. So we've got the white manual one as well, which you can turn the traction control fully off.
Oh.
And in the wet, on a hot lap, that's a different story. Onto the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right, out to the left, through the middle,
at tires. Oh, smells nice. Sleeks.
Carl, I'm going to let you know when I'm going out of the Super, alright?
Here we
Enjoy
go. Oh man!
Very fast.
Unbelievable.
I rather enjoyed that myself as well.
Ooh, that is amazing car. Guys, you need to hit the like for these R8 and for my instructor.
Yeah, even come down and drive one yourself.
Exactly, Drift Limits.
Welcome to come down here and try out an R8.
Here we go. A bit of integration. Right guys, Quattro, Audi R8 Quattro always was my dream car. When I've seen it first time, I was thinking like, I want this car. I'm not owning it, but I tried it and I can tell you, I love it. I love it. The one thing, the throttle pedal. You're pressing it and it's like in a Prius, you have to press it more down. There is like a little switch there, you press it more down and it goes, you know. I think it needs to be removed. Just make a throttle pedal as responsible as hell. That's it. But anyway, I like this car. So guys, if you like this car, if you like my driving, if you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below about this beauty and about my driving. Thank you guys. As usually, I'm gonna see you in the next video. See ya.